I have some traditional vegetable spring rolls from the Dollar Tree. The brand is Jennifer's Garden.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
It says these are ready in as little as 2 minutes, quick and easy, microwave, bake, or fry. All natural, no artificial ingredients, 3 rolls per serving, 55 calories per roll, no cholesterol, no MSG added. You get 10 pieces in this 8.8 ounce bag. Let's take a look at the ingredients. They are filling, which is cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, green beans, vermicelli, mung bean water, salt, spice, vegetable oil, which is palm, peanut, sesame, or soy oil, and potato starch. Crust is wheat flour and water, and it says it contains wheat, peanut, and soy. So all of those ingredients look good to me, except for where it says spice, because sometimes in spice, people can hide MSG, but it says no MSG on it, so we're going to trust them. It says it's distributed by Food Team International in East Brunswick, New Jersey, product of China. So that is a little bit iffy for some people. And I just want to put that out there in case that is a deal breaker for you if you don't like buying anything made in China. I know some people are having issues with China right now, so I thought I would mention that. Nutrition facts, serving size is 3 rolls. There are about 3.5 servings per container. Calories 170. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 1 gram. No trans fat, no cholesterol. 540 milligrams of sodium. 23 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of protein. And then it says 25% of your daily recommended allowance of vitamin C and 2% of iron. So I thought these looked interesting for Dollar Tree. I always read the ingredients, and these have pretty clean ingredients. There's no MSG, no high fructose corn syrup. There's no soy except for soy oil. So it's not like a lot of the products there that have like soy protein, soy flour. I avoid all of those. And the sodium isn't too bad. Sodium's 540 per serving. And then it gives you cooking instructions. You can cook these in a conventional oven, or you can pan fry them, or you can cook them in a microwave. I'm going to do the pan fry, but I'm not going to use a frying pan. I'm going to use my Dash mini griddle to make these. I'm heating up my Dash mini griddle, and this is what the spring rolls look like. They're pretty small. And if we open up the griddle, we should be able to fit them on here. Yeah, look at that. It's going to be almost like a perfect fit for 3 of these. 3 of these is the serving size. And there's 3 of these on the griddle. Will it shut? Yeah, that works well. So this is not heated up yet, but that's okay. So I am going to let this cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. These are completely frozen, and then I'll be back and we'll see how well they cooked and if they need to cook longer. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Oh, they're starting to brown. Yeah, they're starting to brown nicely. I'm just going to turn them on their sides. I just don't know how well the inside is cooked. They're not incredibly hot when I touch them. So I'm going to cook them for like another 3 minutes. I'll set a timer for another 3 minutes. All right, it's been another 3 minutes. I'm going to unplug the mini griddle because I think everything is done. Look how nice and brown everything is. And I hope it's cooked inside. It should be. Yeah, that looks soft inside. So these are my spring rolls, and I normally like hot Chinese mustard with like egg rolls or spring rolls, but I don't have any. But I do have some packets of duck sauce. So that's how I'm going to eat these, with some duck sauce. I never knew duck sauce was pink, but this duck sauce is pink. I'm going to grab one and dip it. Oh, they're really hot. Super hot right now. Wow, that's hot. I have to say it's perfectly cooked. It's perfectly cooked inside. I've never had these before, so this is like a taste test at the same time. And It's mostly fried wrapper with some vegetables inside. So these are from the Dollar Tree. The bag was $1. I think they're definitely worth $1. Totally worth $1. They totally kill a Chinese food craving right now. Like, I was kind of craving some kind of fast food. And these really just hit the spot. And it's just like a little snack, but it's going to save me quite a bit of money. So if I did some takeout around here, I would never just order some spring rolls and that would be it. I would normally get some soup to go along with it, maybe like an entree or a lunch special, and before you know it, I spent $10 at a takeout place. I did Chinese takeout the other day. I spent $10. And by having this one bag of spring rolls that I only spent $1 on, even if I ate the whole bag, it's still cheaper than getting takeout. The other thing is, if I did go to the local Chinese restaurant, for example, and I only got spring rolls, it would cost me like $2. And this entire bag cost me $1. So it's still cheaper. They've cooled down a little bit, so they're easier to hold and eat right now. I like the fact that they're not like really greasy right now. The other thing, like when I get a fried spring roll or an egg roll at the local takeout, they're usually really greasy, and I'm not always the biggest fan of that. So that's why I like these. They just taste really good, and the ingredients are pretty good, and I think the price is good. So, you know, these are a product I would definitely buy again. And they were so easy to make in the Dash Mini Griddle, and they fit perfectly. So that's another good thing about them. They're really quick and convenient. So that's my taste test and review and cooking experiment. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you want me to post more videos like this one. And have a great day.